Let's now come back to the reality. Why is it now that everyone is talking about the Constitution? I thought the Constitution was working for us. I thought we were all deceiving ourselves from 1999. That Constitution was the best for Nigerians. But when people like Professor Banji Akintoye and Ninas say that Constitution is the foundation of our problem, and it is also more reason that we will come out of Nigeria, now everybody is running helter and skelter, talking about that same Constitution. Everybody, from the governor to every one of them, everybody is talking about Constitution. Why are they talking about this Constitution? Because there's a game plan behind it. Yeah, June 5, Ekiti State Rally. Everybody. There will be rally in Lagos, but that is going to be confirmed when those committees that are working behind the scene, when they decide a date, they will tell us and we will start talking about it as well. There shouldn't be any worry that there won't be a rally in Lagos. Let's leave that for now. Let's focus on the agenda of these nasty old men and women calling themselves Egbekegbe APC. Yeah, I already corrected myself. 5th of June, not 5th of August. Everyone is now discussing 1999 Constitution. It is too late for restructuring, not to even talk about a constitution that have deprived us for a very long time. So this is now when they know that the constitution can be debated, can be discussed. Kábíyèsí wá sọ Ọjájá II, the Ọọ̀ni of Ife. Everybody's talking about insecurity. But the problem is, Nigeria will break. Not even our royal father can stop it. They might not be able to come out officially and support us. Likewise, they cannot deny us of what we want. Wọ́n lè má lè sọ pé nǹkan báyìí làwọn fẹ́, but wọ́n lè deny in táwa ọmọ Yorùbá ń sọ pé a fẹ́ àfi tí ilé bá fẹ́ gbóná mọ́ gbogbo wọn. Ẹja gbọ́n kan tí Kábíyèsí sọ.
We're here talking. The organizer, Honorable Speaker, spoke first, welcomed all of us, followed by the Senate President. We all know.
Mo wà lórí show nísìn, má pè mí nísìn, mo wà lórí show nísìn, please. Sorry about that, those of you watching.
Senate President is, by virtue of counting this country, is the number 3 man in this country. The Speaker too, the number 4 man in this country. His Eminence spoke as well. And you can see the trajectory of everything that they are saying the same thing. The gatekeepers of their nation are here, service chiefs. And if you look at this all, on the average, the age of each and every one of us here is between the bracket of 50 and about 60, early 60s. And anybody can challenge me if I'm wrong. Our dear country that has brought all of us together here The youngest serving governor is only 46 years old. And we all know the demography of this country. The demography of this country is above 50, all the way to age of dependency is less than 30%. But between the age of 18 to under 40, we have them in numbers of more than 70%. And we're talking about security here. Who are the active participants whenever we have breakdown of law and order? It is the average age of 18 to 39. And that's the truth. Are they ghosts? Are they invisible? The answer is no. They are human beings. Even our laws, our constitution, they will say at some point, very active civil servants will live on the average of 60 years old. Because they know why. Because they are getting tired. Maybe the judiciary extends till 70 years old. Some 65. They won't say 35 or 30 years, whichever comes earlier. We all know all these laws. But every time we're talking the talk, we're talking the talk. Number 2 man, number 3 man, number 4 man, they are all saying the same thing the way His Eminence said it. And the participants are not faceless. They are not ghosts. It is very idiotic and stupidity for us to be doing the same thing over and over and over again and expect a different result. We will continue to get the same result. Let's be very truthful and honest to ourselves in this country. We all know the problems. How well are we carrying along these people in that age bracket? Who are representing that age bracket in this hall? The answer is no. We are not engaging them at all. But whenever we want to go for political posts, appointment,
I'm going to pause it for a while. Everyone knows now that there's a problem coming. Every single person in this planet knows there's a problem coming to Nigeria, but they're waiting for the trigger button. Everyone is just waiting for that trigger button. When is that trigger button going to happen is what we don't know yet. But in one trial to play now is they are looking for the sentiment part of the Yoruba now. Pé kábíyèsí náà ṣá ti jáde ó ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ nísìn. Àwọn politician yìí náà ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ lórí 1999 constitution. Ẹ ṣe sùúrù díẹ̀ yan ọmọ yìí. Ìtàn bá bọ̀ nìyẹn o. Pé ká ṣe sùúrù díẹ̀. But let us tell every one of them. Àsìkò sùúrù yẹn ó ti kúrò nínú dictionary tiwa. The time for that sùúrù is gone already. And I know there's so many people watching with different fake accounts because they know somebody like me, what I can do. They know. They know. Because I have told them that the journey from last year is going to be a completed journey. Even if it means to create one of the biggest havoc in Nigeria, it is going to happen. There's no doubt about that. So if anyone think this journey, somebody like me is joking, you must have to think otherwise. But the beauty part of it is, we have not proved anything yet to them. We have not done anything. That's what everybody has been saying. Because we've out to do best. But what I don't understand is what we can do to make life miserable for everyone that is living in the Southwest, thinking that they have superiority against us. The Yoruba politicians, the eldest ones, I want to Dagba, think they can still hold us into the bondage that they've kept every Yoruba person into for a very long time. But we are saying to them now, it is too late. I want to start the Instagram back, that's why. What are the strategies that we were going to use? We've used our voice láti fi sọ̀rọ̀ for a very long time. That means for 1 year, we were all talking the same thing. Nigeria or that, this, that. But my point of focus now is going to be within the Southwest alone. I don't care what's going on in the North. Because our governors, our politicians have told us that they are not interested to be part of the Yoruba agenda, regardless of whatever they are saying behind the closed door. But we are sending strong message back to them again that those states that you are thinking you are in control will not be in your hands very soon. Gbogbo state tí ó wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà ẹ̀yin gan ní nísinmi nínú state yẹn, whether you are, because they gave you